Hey everybody, it's Private Profits Trading and we're back again to talk about becoming a more skilled investor. So tonight's topic, we're just going to cover a few things about becoming a more skilled investor. If you have a pen and paper, I would love for you to take that out and begin taking notes as we begin to grant ourselves with more information than we already had. Personally, I am a student, a constant student of life. I believe that the first thing you must do in anything that there is to invest into yourself, your education, believe in yourself, have the correct mind state and the mindset to produce the results that you ultimately want to see in your life. So, with that being said, let's get into it. So let's talk about the opportunity. When it comes to investing and trading, the opportunity to profit from the market is immense, but investors should understand that even a few highly profitable trades would not provide sufficient accelerated financial growth to cover one's financial needs throughout life. The ability to hunt or harvest profits from the market is a learned skill. Trading from gut feelings, message board suggestions, or relying on natural instincts is rarely a good approach to the market. No one is born with a sixth sense when it comes to trading and investing. So mapping out your quest. The unrecognized secret to investing success is simple. Develop, follow, and incrementally improve a systematic and trusted process. That's it, that's all. And that's pretty much with anything in life. If you're learning something new and you want to be great at it, develop and follow a improved, systematic, and trusted process. You want to have a system, you want to have a strategy in place for when you are able to lay back on that strategy and say, hey, you know what? This works. I know it works, so I need to improve on it, and that way I can have the success I'm looking for. It's that simple. So why is the simple secret so hard for most investors to apply? The answer to that question is found in human nature. The struggle to make gains in the market comes from the difficulty of overcoming natural human biases. These biases work against all traders and investors in personal ways. Biases can trip up investors in many ways, but can be boiled down to a single idea. All investors have a natural bias to overreact when things don't match their expectations. In fact, this natural tendency of overreaction is the biggest reason market prices have so much volatility. And remember, volatility is a trader's best friend. So let's talk more about how we can become a more skilled investor. The antidote to this bias is to develop a reliable trade process for making and executing investment decisions. This trade process should include a robust set of expectations for the outcomes of those trades based on a correct application of statistics and probability. While the outcome of individual trades cannot be reliably predicted, the outcome of many trades can be with great accuracy. This can provide such useful information as the base winning percentage of the chosen tactic, the size of gains compared to size of losses, the frequency and duration of expected winning or losing streaks, and even the expected size of a maximum drawdown during a losing streak. So in summary, the concepts necessary to determine this information are quite simple, but not well known to most traders and investors. Learning these concepts is a major advantage you will gain through completing this course. During these lessons, you will also develop your own investing process. This will improve your confidence and your skills as an investor. The unique educational approach of these lessons makes learning the skills of investing surprisingly straightforward. However, it's not a recipe. Every investor has unique resources and constraints. The work of individual tailoring is up to you. So it is possible to consistently outperform the markets, but only when investors use a trusted process that they follow and continually refine. Not every trade will be profitable. It doesn't need to be, as long as you stick to a dependable process tailored to your individual circumstances. Finding the way to identify this process is the opportunity before you. But first, you'll have to overcome challenges every investor faces on their quest for accelerated financial growth. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate it. Happy trading to everybody. See you soon.